counseling works is different depending on the therapist that you see. For myself, I'm trained in Gottman method couples therapy, which is a really research-based approach, as well as emotionally focused couples therapy. And my approach to marriage counseling is to actually meet with both partners together for the initial session. We'll meet for an extended session for about 80 minutes to really get a good understanding of what's going on in the relationship and the reasons that you're coming to see me in therapy. And we'll identify a little bit about your relationship history. I'll get to know you guys as individuals, and as a couple, we'll be able to really pinpoint what your goals are for marriage counseling, and then how I'll be able to help you to reach those goals. After that initial couple session where we identify the goals, then I'm actually going to request to meet with each one of you individually, because what I find is that sometimes partners will hold back in session out of maybe fear of saying something that might be hurtful to their partner, or sometimes it's even issues of the past or family of origin stuff that can really impact how the couple is connecting or disconnecting in the moment. So those individual sessions are really valuable for me to understand how each partner is really engaging with their partner, and I get to understand things on more of a individual basis, and then really use that information to inform the work we do as a couple. So after those 2 individual sessions, we come back together as a couple and really talk about the strengths in your relationship and the areas that need to be strengthened. And we come up with a strategy for how to go about doing that. The length of time in marriage counseling really depends on each couple. It depends on how long the problems have been present in your relationship, how open and willing each of you are to make changes, and how invested you all are in really following through with the recommendations that are made in our work and doing the work outside of the therapy room, because that's really where the true change happens. And most often, couples that come to see me will make the changes that they're really wanting to make somewhere around 6 to 8 sessions, sometimes longer. It really just depends on each couple. It's a very individualized approach. And again, the whole reason of coming to therapy is to not need to come to therapy anymore. So my goal is to really help you reach your relationship goals in the most efficient way possible. So if you'd like to set up a session for relationship counseling or marriage therapy, give our office a call, and I'll look forward to speaking with you.